Hey guys, what is up? In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to design mugs using Canva, which is going to be a full tutorial. So stay tuned. If you're looking for a way to design mugs so that you can sell it to Etsy or other shops, stay tuned because this video is for you. So let's go. All right. So just like in any other Canva tutorial we have, if you're on PC, Mac, laptop, go to any browser, go to canva.com, just like here. We are now in the Canva homepage. If you are using mobile, then just download the Canva app if you don't have it downloaded yet. So anyway, so you're here because you want to know how to design mugs, how to design mugs. Sorry that I started so that you can sell it maybe in your Facebook store, Instagram, Etsy, any other online store. So it's very easy. It's very straightforward, to be honest. So again, Canva, right? It would be better if you have Canva Pro. It's fairly reasonably priced. And so what you want to do is up here on the main menu of Canva, on the upper side of the screen, um, hover your cursor here in Design Spotlight. So yeah, as you can see here, it says visual design, visual documents, photos and videos, print, marketing. We want print, and it's the fourth one, which is mugs. As you can see, you could open a new tab like so, or you could just type here in the search bar, mugs, right? And then maybe this is it. Yep. There you go, mug templates. And these are different. The ones for the search one are going to be templates. It says mug templates. Here you could, as like any other custom stuff, you can start with a blank canvas over here. If you click on this, it's going to be a blank mug canvas that's already sized properly. There you go. You actually have a mug as your canvas over here. Let's wait until it's finished loading, and there you go. This is real size, right? But we're not gonna touch it right now. This is when we went through the design spotlight, right? And then mugs, again, design spotlight, hover it there, go to mugs, you're gonna end up here. So it says here, print your perfect mug, everything you need for delightful and on-brand custom drinkware. And you have some guides here: the perfect mug size, durable material, quality printing. And as you can see here, these are the trending. So it's a bit different from here. This is just templates, right? This is just all the templates that are available. Meanwhile over here, these are the trending. These are some of the popular mug designs that you have. And aside from that, you have holiday mugs. Apparently, cat mugs are very popular. Photo mugs, family portraits and shit that you put in the mugs. Unicorn, I guess. Father's Day, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day. And as you can see, you could. These are some of the trending ones. But if you click on Browse All Templates, you're probably gonna end up here, right? But before we do that, it says here, Canva's free drag and drop design tools make it easy to create and design fast. So again, Canva has a lot of thousands of free templates that you can use. You don't really need to go subscribe to Canva Pro, but it is advisable because Canva Pro it just unlocks a lot more, just so much more you can do with Canva Pro. The font library is you could access thousands of free and premium fonts. And again, just these are everything you need to create a mug or design a mug is all here, right? And they have a lot of guides, right? And you have FAQs here. You know, if you could ask questions, are your personal mugs dishwasher safe? Blah, blah blah. These are all good, right? And you have other resources over here. So anyway, this is the mugs that are trending. Let's go here to mug templates, right? So You could just use any of these, or you could edit any of these. Uh, a lot of cats, a lot of coffee, a lot of moms since Mother's Day is coming up. Um, and this is for birthday, a baby's birthday. There's a lot of moms because Mother's Day, like what I said, Mother's Day is upcoming. This is maybe mugs like as a souvenir from a wedding. I'm assuming this is a photo of a baby. There's a really cool dog too. This is a cute corgi butt mug. I wolf you, you're awesome. And then again, another wedding. So most of the mugs that most of the mug templates you're gonna see are pretty much like your pets, babies, weddings, and other popular holidays, right? So when you go to designing a mug, right? Like what I said, you have this is pretty much life size. So say you click on the cat. This is how big the cat is, right? This is gonna be how big the cat will be. Um, and you could choose a position, but just by clicking this. So you could click on this, and you can resize it the way you want. Um, you could move it, right? Um, you could even uh, I think you could change a color too. So yeah, there's a lot of things you can do for this. Uh, so after you've made your mug and you've uh, saved the design, you can now go to Etsy and just type in mugs, right? And look at this, right? These are mugs, and a lot of the mugs here are priced around around $10 to $15, $10 to $20. As you can see, these are mugs. These are very simple. Your design here, right? Which is like they're pretty much like these ones are pretty much gonna use Canva and make the design that you want and sell it to you, which is kind of clever to be honest. And yeah, that's how you make mugs. And again, like you could pretty much this is pretty much print on demand in a way. And yeah, that's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.